chloroplast?
Where's the chloroplast?
In the cell.
Where's the cell?
On the leaf.
Where's the leaf?
On the stem.
The stem on a plant?
The stem on a plant.
The leaf on the stem?
The leaf on the stem.
The chloroplast in the cell?
The chloroplast in the cell.
The chloroplast, the chloroplast, the chloroplast.
It's a blast. Being a chloroplast.
It's a blast.
Being a chloroplast. It's a blast. Blast.
Blast.
Blast. Being a chloroplast. There's not just one of us, you know. Inside each cell there's many.
And then each do our own part.
We make enough food for each of the plants. And enough oxygen for all you humans. You can't see us by looking closely at the leaf.
We're too small.
Even if we put special glasses on, you still can't see us.
We're too small. We're itty bitty.
If you got out a hand magnifier and looked closely at the surface of the if you look closely at the leaf, you'd see the surface, and it would look cool.
You still couldn't see us. We're very petite.
You'd have to get out a high-powered microscope and look at a thin slice of leaf. And then you'd be able to see chloroplasts in a cell. And if you did, get that microscope out.
Look at that thin slice of leaf.
You'll see rows and rows of cells. And in each cell,
You see chloroplast.
happy chloroplasts! Having a blast!
Just being chloroplast.
You might, you might say,
It's a happening place.
because it's a place where stuff is happening and not just blah, blah, blah stuff.
What happens here?
It's important.
Hugely important.
Vastly important. Colossally, gigantically, overabundantly important. To the plant.
And to
Everything on the planet Earth that breathes oxygen.
One more time.
what happens here is hugely. Vastly. What happens here is important.
Hugely important.
Vastly important.
To the plant. And to everything on planet Earth that breathes oxygen.
Hello, how are you today? I'm a chloroplast and I live in this here plant cell. There are many other chloroplasts living in the same cell, and they all do what I do, make food for the plant. Yup, that's right, it all happens here in this tiny space. So now I know some of you are wondering how, so I'll show you. I'm fixing to start a new batch right now anyways. Boy, is it ever a beautiful bright sunny day out. Oh, here comes some light energy directly from the sun.
It sure is dark in here. I wonder what kind of place this is. Hey, let go!
Gotcha, ha. Let go! No, I need you. You're working for me now.
What do you mean?
Well, you see, water will be entering this cell any second now.
Water. I entered the cell to about 3 feet off the ground. I saw no water around.
Water is coming from the roots of this plant. The roots are pulling it out of the ground, and some of the roots have to reach down pretty deep to find it.
So the water is coming. No way, that's not possible. Gravity doesn't work that way. Water can't blow up.
Well, you see, water is sucked up through a tube called the xylem. And you're right, normally gravity doesn't work that way. But in a plant like this, and even in a tree, water is kind of sucked up like soda through a straw. It's called transpiration.
Here we are, boys!
Isn't this more water than we'll need?
Yes, but don't fret. The water that is not needed will evaporate through the surface of the leaf.
What? So why am I here? Somebody tell me what to do.
Okay, calm down. I need you to be patient. We're waiting for one more special guest to arrive. As soon as everyone's here, we can get this party started.
exactly what kind of party will it be? I didn't bring a present or anything. Are you going to serve cake and ice cream? Do we have a party house?
No, my friend, it's not that kind of a party. It's really more like being a part of an incredibly important work crew.
Say, we feel a draft all of a sudden. Close the window, pal.
There are no windows in the cell. Air can pass right through these cell walls. And that air you're feeling is just what we need next. Well, not all of it. Just the carbon dioxide that's in it.
Say, mister, keep your paws off me.
Don't be afraid. I've been waiting for you.
Oh, I've heard about you. What do you want me to do?
Well, you see, you're going to help make food for this plant that we're inside of.
What's this? I was light energy from the sun, and I entered through the top of the leaf, but the chloroplast trapped me.
I was water mixed in the house. I was pulled out of the ground by the roots. I remember by the ground, but you were the step.
Let me get this straight. The sun entered through the top of the leaf and was trapped by the chloroplast, and the water traveled up only to the xylem.
Now that's right. Say, how did you get in here?
Well, you might say I slipped into the back door.
What do you mean, like
The underside of the leaf?
Exactly. You see, there are little openings on the underside of the leaf that are called stomata. A whole lot of air molecules came with me. And most of the time they're traveling around other plant cells in this leaf to see where they can help.
Right. Now it's time for the water molecules to join hands with the carbon dioxide molecules. This combination should produce food, also known as sugar.
Say, if water and carbon dioxide are combining to make sugar, what do you need me for? You really didn't just capture me so I could watch, did you? Because I'm really very busy. There are a lot of dark places to explore and a lot of gloomy people that need me to cheer them up.
We need you very badly. In fact, you're the light energy. You'll supply this carbon dioxide and water with the energy needed to make this all happen.
Now you're talking. I'm cool. You can't do this without me. And
You can't do this without us. Get over yourself,
We're ready.
Light energy, you stand behind the carbon dioxide and water molecules. Ready, set, begin.
Whoa!
Well, I'm glad to say it works.
It sure works all right, but who's this little guy hanging around us?
Oh, I almost forgot. This is oxygen. Whenever a plant makes food or sugar, it also makes oxygen. When sugar is sent to places that need it, some oxygen will be sent with it. But we always seem to make more oxygen than we need. So a lot of it will be extra and have to leave the plant.
Oh, let me guess, will oxygen leak through the back door, the stomata?
Exactly. Now it's time for you to be on your way, sugar.
Where are we being sent and how are we getting there?
You will go wherever you're needed. Some of you will go to the stem. Some of you may go to this fruit part of this plant where you will become starch. Some of you will go to the roots so that they can get bigger.
Sent to the roots. Isn't that a long way down? What do we do? Parachute?
No, silly. You're at the flow. It's a tube like the xylem, except it takes sugar to other places.
So now that we become sugar, we have the flow to wherever we're needed?
Yes, now on your way. There's light energy coming my way, and I'm fixing to lay my trap.